Hello and welcome to Cosmix, responsive multipurpose WordPress theme. This is video 2, how to add custom fonts. There are almost 700 fonts on Google Fonts repository. That's a lot and it gives you lots of choices. But including them all in a theme is not a good idea, simply because it's not an efficient solution. So, unlike many other themes, we came up with a better solution. You can use 8 of the most popular Google fonts right out of the box after you install and activate Cosmix Theme. And optionally, you can add or remove as many custom fonts as you want, and you can do it on demand. Alright, let's start adding some custom fonts from the Google Fonts repository. To add your custom fonts, browse to Appearance, Theme Options, Typography, Colors and Backgrounds, and add custom fonts. As you can see, there are already 3 fonts added here, and this is because we imported the main demo's theme options. To add another one, click on the Add New button. There are only 3 fields available for each font. The first field is the title you can give to your font, so make it short and descriptive, since this is the title you see when you want to choose the font in your admin panel. The second field is the font family, which has to be the exact name of the font family you wish to use. And the third field is the link to the CSS file of that font. To get the second 2 values, the font family and the font link, you need to go to the Google Fonts repository website. To do that, simply click on the Google Fonts repository link here to open up its website. You can scroll down and see all of the available fonts and choose the one that best suits your needs. Or if you know which font you want, you can simply search it using the search box here on the top left corner. In this case, I would like to add the Oswald font. So all I have to do is to search Oswald, and there it is. Click on the middle button that says Quick Use. Choose the font weights that you want to use and the character sets that you need for your font. But keep in mind that the more options you choose here, the heavier your font would become. So only choose the ones that you are really going to use. As I mentioned before, for the second field, we need the exact family name of our font. If you scroll down to the bottom of this page, the fourth option here is the family name of the font we need. But we only need the part that comes right after the colon up to the part before the semicolon. Notice that if you select the part we need, once you let go of your mouse button, it's going to choose the whole line of code. This is because normally you would need it all, but not in this case. To work around this limitation, select the part we need. And on your keyboard, press Command-C or Control-C to copy just the part you have selected. Go back to your Theme Options panel and paste it in the second field. Let's go back to the font page and notice that the third option here is the link to the CSS file of the Oswald font. But again, we do not need the whole code here. We just need the part between these 2 single colons. So, select the part you need Do not let go of your mouse button. On your keyboard, press Command-C or Control-C. Go back to your Options panel and paste it in the third field. We can now give it a title. I'm going to write Oswald, since this is the name of the font. And now, just save your options. Our new font is now added to the theme and ready to be used. You can use it either in the typography options, in your Options panel, or in the visual text editor, where you can see the preview of your font right in the editor. Or you can choose it as your row or column font in the Visual Composer's page builder.